In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a video to your website using your favorite website builder. Whether you're looking to enhance user engagement or showcase your latest content, incorporating video is a fantastic way to bring your site to life. Let's dive in. First, go ahead and open your website builder. Then navigate to the specific page where you'd like your video to appear. It's important to have a clear vision of where you want the video because placement can significantly affect the overall user experience. Once you're at the right spot on the page, you'll want to turn your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll find the Add Elements panel, which contains a variety of tools and features you can use to enhance your site. Scroll through these options until you find the one labeled Video. This is your key to adding multimedia content seamlessly. Now click on the video element and simply drag it over to the exact location on your page where you want your video to appear. Take a moment to ensure the placement feels intuitive and natural for your visitors. Next, click on the newly added video element itself, which will open up the video settings. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an option labeled Edit Video, and inside this section, you will find a field for the video link. Here, you'll want to paste the URL of the YouTube or Vimeo video you're adding. This link acts as a bridge between your site and the video content, ensuring it plays seamlessly. Once your URL is in place, you have some customization options at your disposal that allow you to tailor the viewing experience for your audience. Decide whether you want the video to autoplay when a visitor arrives on the page or if you prefer it to remain paused until a visitor chooses to watch. You also have the option to set the video on a loop or decide if you want to display the video controls, giving users more or less ability to interact with the playback. In some cases, you may want to host a video locally rather than using an online platform like YouTube or Vimeo. If that's your preference, simply upload your video to Google Drive. Once it's uploaded, look for the three-dot menu in Google Drive and select Get Embed Code. Copy the embed code and head back to your website builder. Instead of pasting it into the video link field, find the embed code element and paste it there instead. This method enables you to display locally hosted content without a hitch. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to add video content to your website. With these steps, you can ensure that your site remains engaging and up to date with dynamic content that speaks to your audience. Thanks for watching and keep creating amazing content for the web.